Most people think fasting just makes you hungry. But at exactly 16 hours, something remarkable happens inside your cells. Something that most doctors never talk about. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at the real science of a 16-hour fast, hour by hour. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how your cells pivot from using food to cleaning themselves up. You will learn the exact timeline of how your insulin drops, when fat burning truly starts, and how to structure your day to make it easy. No myths, no exaggeration. Just the clear science of what your body can do when you give it a break from digesting food. Hours 0 to 4. Digestion and the insulin spike. Let us start right at the beginning. Hour 0 is when you take your very last bite of food. Maybe it was a bowl of rice, a sandwich, or a piece of fruit. The moment you swallow that food, your digestive system springs into action. For the first 4 hours, your body's in what scientists call the fed state. Your stomach and intestines are working hard to break down that meal into tiny pieces. The carbohydrates turn into glucose, which is a simple sugar. This sugar enters your bloodstream, giving you a quick wave of energy. Because sugar is now floating in your blood, your pancreas releases a very important hormone called insulin. Think of insulin as a tiny key. It walks up to your cells, unlocks the door, and lets the sugar inside so your cells can use it for power. During these first 4 hours, your insulin levels are at their highest point. When insulin is high, your body is in storage mode. It is happily saving extra energy for later and will not burn stored fat. It is like a delivery truck unloading boxes into a warehouse. As long as the delivery is happening, the warehouse will not open its back doors to take things out. Your body is totally focused on processing the meal you just enjoyed. Hours 4 to 8. The pivot point and glycogen depletion. Moving into hours 4 to 8, things begin to change. This is the official pivot point for your metabolism. Your stomach finishes breaking down your last meal, and the food leaves your digestive tract. Now, your body needs to find a new source of energy to keep your heart beating and your brain thinking. Luckily, you have a backup battery. This battery is called glycogen. Glycogen is just glucose that your body packed tightly together and stored away for a rainy day. Most of this glycogen lives inside your liver and your muscles. Your liver holds about 100 grams of this stored energy. By hour 6, because no new food is coming in, your blood sugar levels naturally begin to smooth out. Because blood sugar goes down, your insulin levels also drop down to their normal baseline. This drop in insulin is the magic signal your body was waiting for. It tells your system that the delivery truck has left, and it is time to start using stored fuel. You might start to hear your stomach rumble a little bit during this phase. That is completely normal. It is just your body adjusting to the shift in energy sources. Hours 8 to 12. Switching on the fat-burning machine. By the time you reach hours 8 to 12, your liver has been steadily burning through that 100-gram glycogen battery. As that battery runs low, your body turns on its secondary power grid. This is where real fat burning begins. Scientists call this process lipolysis. Let us break that big word down into simple pieces. Lipo means fat, and lysis means to break apart. So, lipolysis simply means breaking down fat cells for energy. When your insulin is low and glycogen is dropping, your body releases special enzymes that act like scissors. These enzymes go to your fat tissues, snip the fat molecules apart, and release them into your blood as free fatty acids. Your liver takes these fatty acids and converts them into usable energy. Think of it like a hybrid car. For the first 8 hours, the car was running on electricity from the main battery. Now it is smoothly switching over to the gas tank. This is a natural survival tool. It allows humans to stay strong and focused even when food is not around. If you are watching this and finding it helpful, take a quick second to hit the subscribe button so you never miss our weekly science breakdowns. Hours 12 to 16. Ketones and early cellular cleaning. Now, we enter one of the most powerful phases of fasting, hours 12 to 16. Around the 12-hour mark, your body has used up most of its readily available energy stored as liver glycogen. With those reserves nearly depleted, your system is forced to switch to a different fuel source to keep everything running smoothly, especially your brain. To solve this, your liver begins converting stored fat into molecules called ketones. These ketones act as a clean and efficient energy source that can easily cross into the brain. As ketone levels begin to rise, many people report feeling a noticeable boost in mental clarity, focus, and steady energy without the usual highs and crashes associated with glucose. But the benefits do not stop there. Around hour 14, your body activates an important internal process known as autophagy. The term comes from Greek, meaning self-eating, but it is far more beneficial than it sounds. Think of autophagy as your body's built-in maintenance and recycling system. Over time, your cells naturally accumulate damaged components, worn-out proteins, and metabolic waste. When insulin levels drop during fasting, your body sends signals to clean house. Cells begin identifying these dysfunctional parts, breaking them down, and reusing the raw materials to build new, healthier structures. This process is essential for cellular health, longevity, and overall efficiency. It is like giving your body a deep internal reset, helping it function more optimally over time. In simple terms, during this 12 to 16-hour window, your body is not just burning fat, it is upgrading itself. You are shifting into a state where energy becomes more stable, your mind becomes sharper, and your cells begin repairing and renewing from within. Practical steps. How to structure your 16 to 8 window. Knowing the science is great, but how do you actually use this in real life? The most popular way is the 16 to 8 method. This simply means you fast for 16 hours and eat all your meals within an 8-hour window. The easiest way to do this is by using the power of sleep. Let us say you finish your dinner by 8 p.m. While you're sleeping, your body's moving through the fed state and starting to drop its insulin. When you wake up at 8 a.m., you have already successfully fasted for 12 hours. From there, all you need to do is skip breakfast and wait until 12 p.m. to have your first meal. Between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. is your golden zone. That is when your fat burning is highly active, your ketones are rising, and early autophagy signals are cleaning up your cells. During this morning window, you can drink plenty of water, black coffee, or plain green tea. Just make sure you do not add any sugar, milk, or cream, because even a small amount of sugar will spike your insulin and turn off the fasting benefits. Conclusion. Fasting for 16 hours is not about starving your body. It is about giving your cells the time they need to rest, burn stored fuel, and clean up internal waste. It is a simple, natural process that can support your overall energy and health. Have you ever tried a 16-hour fast before? Let me know how it felt for you in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We share simple, science-backed health content every week. If you want to learn more about how your cells clean themselves up during fasting, watch our full video on autophagy next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.